everyone, welcome to today's extreme laundry motivation video. I'm doing my laundry routine and an all-day laundry motivation for some folding motivation and whatever it is that you guys need to get done. Let's get it done together. If you're new here, I am Becca, and over on this channel I love to do cleaning, organizing, decorating, and DIYs. So if you like that type of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. My specific washing machine actually has a smart dispense, and it holds up to 50 ounces of laundry detergent. This was one of the main reasons why I bought this washer machine recently. It's a GE, and it also has a venting system for the front load, because if you have a front loader, you know it's important to leave the door open. Well, you don't have to with this one because it actually has a ventilation system, which is great. But I love this smart dispense, and this is the laundry detergent that I use. I use the Tide Free and Gentle, and this is all that I use in my laundry because I have hyperallergenic skin, and everything with fragrance usually irritates my skin. So unfortunately, I would love to use like the really beautifully smelling stuff, but it irritates my skin, so I have to stay away from it. As you can tell too, you can see my microfiber cloths sitting on top of the dryer. They are completely cleaned, but I washed them a few days ago and just haven't gotten around to folding them up yet and putting them away. Some of the laundry we're focusing on today is all 3 loads in my bedroom. As you can see, there were some blocks in my laundry basket from one of the little kids. But in my bedroom, I typically do a lights, dark, and jean pile, which the jeans is also mixed in with my husband's uniforms. And I like to do these as soon as they get full, and a lot of the times they get full around the same time. So I figured I would just knock all 3 out today. I have a lot of shirts that I like to hang dry, and as you can see, the last load that I did there, that I hung dry the clothes, I still have not put them away because this is real life, guys. Sometimes I get around to it, sometimes I don't. But I do like to hang up my shirts here to let them hang dry. If they're not like soaking wet, they're not dripping anything, they're not making a huge mess or anything, they're more like on the damp side, so I just go ahead and hang them in here at least overnight. Sometimes they stay there for a week. Who knows?
Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
On this particular day, I also needed to do the boys' laundry, and every time I do their laundry, I throw their sheets in and the high chair cover and just everything that needs to be washed of theirs. I go ahead and throw in their wash. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is my least favorite load of laundry to do. I hate having to fold their clothes because there's just so many of them. I mean, a full load of their clothes is, so many clothes of theirs because they're so little. So it's a lot. It takes me forever to fold, but I usually fold it once it's dry just to get it out of the way so it's not haunting me for the rest of the week.
Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down.
I do turn off the auto dispense for their clothes because we use a different laundry detergent for them. Now that the first load of laundry of mine is done, I'm going to go ahead and just go and fold it in my bedroom. I love doing this because I go ahead and turn on the TV and just catch up on one of my episodes. I fold my laundry. It just feels less daunting when I do it this way, and it's more motivation for me to actually get it done like this. Another tip I have for you too is to do your laundry as soon as your basket is full or when it's about to be full. It seems so much less daunting whenever I do it that way, because if I wait until it's overflowing, then unfortunately there's so much clothes to fold and all of that, and it just seems even more tedious. Another reason why I like to fold it on my bed is because obviously I'm going to need my bed to sleep in eventually tonight, and I'm not going to be able to sleep in it with all of these clothes sitting on top of it. So it gives me more motivation to go ahead and put those folded clothes away. As you can tell, I had some little helpers with me today, and I love giving them tasks like this. Like, they enjoy doing it, so having them actually help is great. It's a great way to incorporate good skills into helping around the house, and they feel more independent when they get to help me with stuff like this. So it's an overall good experience for all. Once a week, I like to take my couch blankets and throw them in the wash and give them a really good wash, because y'all, I have a dog, I have 3 children and a husband. They get disgusting really fast, so I like to make sure that I wash them at least once a week. And now we move on to the tediousness of folding these little clothes. I like to pop in my AirPods for this and just listen to a podcast. A 30-minute podcast usually gets me through folding all of these clothes.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye.
Y'all let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to do on my next cleaning motivation video. I could tell you all of the podcasts that I absolutely love listening to. I mean, I have so many that I just genuinely absolutely love. I am a huge true crime buff, so a lot of it is true crime stuff, but not all of it is. So if you guys would love for me to do my next laundry motivation and just talk about all of the podcasts that I listen to and what I love about them, I would love to do that for you guys.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah. I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
It's been a few times that I've done a ton of laundry in one day, and I have not filled this thing in a while, so I figured I would go ahead this time and just fill it back up.
Some things change, are lost and found.
All right, friends, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for choosing to click on this video. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Give this video a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. Share this with a friend that you know would get a ton of motivation from it. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.